Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to today's vlog. I have a special one, guys. I thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. And on today's videos, I have a special, and I'm shooting these videos on Saturday morning, guys. Wherever you are, thank you so much for welcoming all to watch my vlog, guys. So anyway, I want to take you outside to see how everything it is. And wow, there's a small roundway right here. We have trouser, we have this one here. So wow, that's my dog sleeping there, Bruno. Hey mom, what's up? You good?
You good.
Go Mama, how was your feeling? Right now we have water. I can't wait to surprise with you. So I'm trying maybe to see how I will pay the guy who dig the borehole by Monday. Jumatatu nafaa kulipa wa? Eh. So we are taking black coffee right here. Hey. So today I'm going to surprise my sister. It's been a while. So when I make for you shopping for the fruits here and there, I have the money for my sister to buy her school bag. Hey, he's up to end. Hey, my sister. Say hello.
Hello.
Guys, I promise her I'm going to buy her a school bag, and she wear nice shoes right here, clothes. Man, she looks like an angel. Not like an angel, she looks an angel with a white shirt. Hey, my sister to the world. Guys, before I take you outside, this is my sister, right? That's my mama, and my other brother maybe going around to my village, so maybe going to pray with my friends, with his friend, I mean, guys. Hey. Hey. Guys, it's a courtesy of one of our subscribers made it possible my sister to have a nice cloth. Thank you so much, mom. May God bless you abundantly. Look. Say subscribe to
my brother.
Who? Say my hello baby.
Hello baby.
Subscribe
to Hello baby.
Hey, that is it, guys. I can't wait to see my sister's reaction. And my mama, she doesn't have any clothes going on. Nakuja is a Swahili word, means I'm coming. So guys, I'm taking outside to see how things go. You know, I was waiting my sister, like when she came at weekend time, when she was around at home here, so that the time I can get some chance to support her, like purchasing her school bag. Imagine. So right here I have my bike. You know, this is my bike right here. Wow, man, I can't wait to surprise my mama with a new project here. Hey, so guys, I can't wait to surprise my mom with clean water, and hopefully by next week I want to start working on the borehole. Mama, njoo ufungue hapa. I start working on the borehole, like constructing them, buying a door for the borehole, everything, steel bar, iron sheet. You will see, guys, the work going on here, and it will take me, I think, 2 days, everything to be completed, like cemented around, and then going up to that way. That's my mama. Hey, my African mom, strong mom. And we take chotel. And right. So I'm sending my sister to bring that container to see whether we can see water inside. Guys, before I leave, I'm trying to introduce my mama on this project right here. Yeah? So yeah, so my sister, she told me there is water on that container. Wow. All guys, let me go and bring the container right now, guys. Aya, nenda kwa nyumba lete ndo tu. Kata huma tarete ndo home mondari. So we need this container to see whether we can pull it water. Like, it's clean, man. Look. What a beautiful day. So that being said, toilet the toilet and borehole will be the part of the compound. You will see one day maybe the compound will run from here. Aya. Yo nindo. Pelekea kwa mama huko, my sister have the bucket, the blue one. So maybe from here, going that way around could be the part of the compound, and my toilet will be inside and borehole. Daddy, tacho mboga lanchu. Maybe niona kama yamo mist. We tried to launch, guys. We tried to launch. Whether we get it to water at the same time, birds are singing song on the other side. Man, on today's video, guys, I'm not officially open the project, but it's a surprise by itself. I can't wait to see my sister's reaction, man. Me no idea on this, and I was keeping that money for buying my sister's school bag up to now. Imagine 1 week. 1 week. Let's see. Nastaki watoto hapa. Songa mbali. Yeah, I'm telling you, I don't want kids here because this borehole right now, it's not well constructed on top. Although it's by God's grace, man, we get water. So let's see. That's my mama right there. Atata ni kengo. Hey! Monkey mara ngora kundi gimbe. Hey! That's my mom, guys. You see water? Oh man. Fetch another one, mom. Tate unichora chokore bon. Guys, mama, she was dancing because we get water. Ni masafi. My sister told like water is clean. It's purely clean, man. Yeah? Ni masafi. What my sister told me yesterday, the water was dirty like this here, but right now it's purely clean, man. I'm telling you, right here, no fake, no anything. So I think this week I'll start working for it, like to cement it, putting door here and there. Man, it's by God's grace, man. It's by God's grace. Jesus is Lord. Now my African mom getting water. You see, guys, we're not faking things right here. We have water. So that's the reason why, guys, you see I'm trying to cover here and then put iron sheet. Yeah, bab. Atori ni bate kon. Kero que tara mo que tu me bagi que cimento po buia. That's a small ladder for the strongest, like to prevent this iron sheet, like or zinc going away. That is it. Que tarava que agora também. Para uma matar manche barangure nani kundi ko. Tuko chotu pale ko vaccine. Uje twende. Something my sister taking the container, taking on the other side. Tawi sabe. No idea on this, man. Oh, let me take you on this side here. Probably it's easy as you have the borehole around the yard or our compound, and then man, it's hectic fetching water from the river. Right now it's dry season, no water in the tank. Bring to the toilet here. Man, it's so hectic. But God opened door, God made it possible. Man, we get it water. And because I'm a trustful person, humble, the guy came, dig for free until when I get money to pay them. Actually, yesterday I paid them 5,000. So by Monday morning, by next week on Monday, I will contribute a little that I have, and then as we squeeze, and then until when I finish up. Wow. Anyway, guys, I supposed to paint here. You see, like to repaint again. You see right here, because rain is coming on this side here, so I'll start to repaint again right here. So you see, guys, the work right here. Anyway, guys, welcome to my another project right here. But this one I'm not contented right now. I have already finished everything. So the work is to put water inside here every day. Man, you see, even right now we have water inside here. Hey, we normally do like local way. In local way. Woo. So this is a small container right here, but as the time being going, maybe in future we're doing like I left the way it is. It's just okay. So I'm trying maybe to buy a huge bucket which reach at this point going down. When you fill water, we can use maybe like 2 to 3 or 5 people. Like with this one bucket here, even I myself, I use this one here. Try to imagine, no water in the tank. We try to bring water from the borehole, from our neighbor's borehole, or from the river. Imagine, man, imagine, guys. I'm telling you, it's by God's grace, man. We fixed my mom's toilet tiles on the wall, down, ceiling board, man. So I'm trying to show you this, simply because we have water on the borehole. So every morning is to fetch water, putting inside here, you know. So let's go. I think I could take my sister to the restaurant on the first time, maybe when I'm coming from border town. When the change remaining, I'll take my sister to a small restaurant. Wow, look, that's how my village looks like. So that being said, guys, maybe by tomorrow I'll repaint again this paint to make clear here, you know. And officially we open these toilets because there's no water here, and this is the sitting one, and it's very expensive. It has a lot of maybe challenges here and there. No water here, we can't use it. But that one is a public one. This one is a private one, you know. So I'm trying to give my mama this one, but my African mom decided, you know what, and I need the public one, like the squatting one. Me, I'm flowing the vibe. Right now, guys, I think it's time to go up to border town. And in case you're new here, guys, please guys, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. So my sister is waiting me there. And ulete ufunguo. Ona, mwambie akupatie helmet na jacket ile ya green. Yeah. So I'm telling my sister bring the jacket and helmet as we keep going. Imagine, man, I harvest the sand there which I dig from the septic, and then right down from the borehole I harvest right here. When the time which I want to build my mom's dream house, I will use it, this one here. I'm telling you, that one here. Imagine buying a sand like this. It goes to $60, one tipper or one lorry. This one that you see here. So me, I'm trying to invest there by the time being. Na ufunguo uko nao. Ayashikilia helmet. Nipe jacket. Wow. Guys, I don't know where. Okay. Hold for me this camera. Enjoy up. Guys. Oh. Okay. Aya, weka hapa. Nashika hivi. Guys, sorry. I want to wear my jacket right now. Eh. Wow, guys. And then, guys, I can't drive without wearing the helmet. That is me, guys. Okay, guys. So before I leave, let me show you another project that I have, but I finished that one there. So we have another one here. Come on. We have another one right here. So it's by God's grace. I'm telling you, man, it's by God's grace. I come up with a new project. I finish up in a good way, you know, in a good time as we keep moving on. So in case you're new here, guys, on today's videos, me, I'm keep showing you every day, like I have the materials here, around here, you know. And then probably this is the material I bought from my mom's dream house within here. Imagine, guys, I make sure that my family put something on table. My brother went to school, paying them like maybe some maybe school fees, purchasing stones. Wow. So technically I'm heading to my neighbor's home, so I'm going to take like a microphone. So my neighbor, he was doing a business. He was a businessman, so he make a call, like go and told my wife to give you a microphone. Yeah, so I'm going this way and then that way. Actually, I'm going on that house, not this one here, that one right there. Wow. So guys, I'm wearing the helmet. Before when I left home, I'm in a hurry. I'm in a hurry condition, so I don't want maybe to come there rushing to border town. No helmet, guys. That is me with my helmet. Wow, people have already planted maize. You can tell, even right now here, that is maize. Hey. You got?
This is the cost with my friend.
Hey, Korea.
Come on.
Oh, I got it.
Anak inar nali. Murah irtan ture bos.
Okay.
Mmoja kabo wiring.
Okay.
Tureke koben. Mo ichona acha kuringa.
Ada Jumatatu. Lero nenge Mungu moja.
Kada na gatunine.
Lero nenge boda. Gigantore mpaka Jumatatu. Lero ni weekend.
Otoriga.
Sasa kan lero chiku process. Lusi Jumatatu. Wala Jumatatu.
Anda na tunire.
Antana. Kwenye so ndambuke.
Atuni chonda tunine na ma.
So ninda ya hara. Tramane.
Sawa.
Turaza kuhagati.
Mabasa mtu kuona ma project ngote mambe kala pili hapo hivi.
Oh. Akino gachiri chibarene. Mama no nemete moruni vona no mama badonde. So guys, that's my friend right there. Actually, I'm heading this way. So we see that microphone. Like if somebody, if the place that you are, you see somebody having the small mic, promote the business, like selling eggs, selling clothes, like on the local market. Oh, like one cloth goes to $0.1. Another cloth $1. Yeah, there's a microphone that I'm going to pick from my friends. Actually, he make a call that been said earlier. Anyway, guys, I have already reached here, so I need to show you that mic for the promoting the business or introducing the business. Wow. Then here I see the kids making noise inside. You heard? Wow. Hi, guys. Sorry for the noise of the kids. I'm telling you, he was a married person, and me, man. The way he sent me this, like a microphone right here, so I take it to Nyabuhansa, and then I got to Border Town. Oh guys, now we are leaving home, heading to Nyabuhansa and then to Border Town with my sister right here. Hey, that's the feeling for my sister. Going to surprise her. So let's go. Yeah? Huh? Aye. That's the small car right there. Let's go, guys. We keep moving on, going to Border Town, but first we pass Nyabuhansa, right here. With my baby. Wow. We're fully outside. That is it. Heading to Nyabuhansa, and then from Nyabuhansa to Border Town, and then from Border Town to home. Wow. The road is bad right here. Look at that. But who is hello baby? I'm driving at my own pace. Shikilia vizuri. I'm still holding the microphone right there. Oh. Wow. Heading this way, guys. African land, very amazing on this side here, very beautiful, man. Wow, my sister at the back, she doesn't have any idea what is going on. We just pull up to Border Town. Wow, see guys, right here. Wow. Let's go. Where are Ngumu? Let's go. Roro. Fish. Wow. Church. At the same time we have the school where my sister lands. Here. You see right here? Wow. But it is what it is, guys. Let's go. Let's move on. Up to Nyabuhansa. Up to Nyabuhansa, guys. We almost approach Nyabuhansa, guys. I'm telling you. We have the rental house. This side that you see here is a rental house. And then even on this side here, it's a rental house. People have invested to build a rental house. Wow. Man, this is Nyabuhansa village right now. This is a clinic here. This is my sister right now here, doing this one here. This is a mic. It's really happy. Oh guys, it's a kind of promoting business, like selling of eggs within here. So this eggs. He was the owner who I give him the mic for the business. So let's go to Borehole. This is near behind. Hey. Wow. This is near Bohansen Market right now here. You see, although today is a chilling day, and actually it's a Saturday.
It's a weekend.
It's a weekend. So weekend starts from Friday evening, Saturday, Sunday. Mondays are normal weekdays. Wow.
Monday
What?
to Fridays are control.
It's control. Yes. Whoa!
Why are you breathing?
Okay. Guys, we're heading to Border Town. Yeah, a government car. And I want to surprise my sister. That being said earlier. On today's video, it's a surprise my sister. Wow. Right there, that's my sister. Angalia. That's my sister right here. I'm telling you. Look at the pot of your mind. Wow. Yeah. On the other side, guys, we have the restaurant right there.
Kasongo, I'm the one I'm controlling.
You're controlling.
Yeah, I'm controlling. I'm the driver today.
You're a driver.
Yeah.
Actually, man, it's a good thing. Yeah. We're heading to Borehole right now. Hey. 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 All in one. That's my bike right Guys, sorry for the wind blowing. Sorry for interference. So I'm just sitting like this. I'm tired like a goat. But all in well, let's go. So this is a driving section area. They were being under construction right here. This is another neighbor.
Nikaniru mukiri.
Takoriga? Utaya kwanza. Ukema mboka pai. Ukebai. Usituhire bai hiro musana no hikia.
Maembe karo ngeni nga pai.
Day one. Oka pai kurumbili mkine besi. Wow. For sure. Over there they're cutting tax. Imagine, we pay tax, but not for right even the signboard. My sister was sitting in the middle. Wow. I'm holding her to the jungle. And over here we have the school, hospital, church.
That's a Catholic church.
Yes, that's a Roman Catholic church there.
Investment of a church.
Guys, sorry for the wind, but this video is out to Borehole town. What a beautiful day, man. Kids are coming from school. It's a weekend. walking together. My sister no idea. She doesn't have idea what is going on. Hey, that's a big one. Yeah, now. Wow. Maybe guys from my premium getting the videos. And right here the normal speed was 50 right here, you see? Oh man. This is the part of Borehole town. I want to show you the green other side. On the other side, that's where I reach height. Opposite side. I'm telling you. Kids from school. See on the other side, opposite side where I reach height. Tayang once, tayang or touch over the kigali. Tayang. Look at mom chatting your bike with babe.
Baby, you are afraid of. Afraid of.
Yes.
Come.
You must be afraid of. That's how we go. I'm telling you man, that's a Mercedes right there. The white one. Yes. People invest. Wow. Another situation. This truck written God fast. God fast. Borehole town. Borehole town. Telling you.
Market road, eh?
Yes, me is supposed to walk. So guys, you can see other side. We can't get a video first. In case you're new here guys, this is what we're calling Borehole town for you. It's located near the border of Kenya and Tanzania. Actually, we don't know like common business, buying and exchanging of goods. Like I can buy goods from Tanzania coming to Kenya. Tanzania came from its own country, buy something here. That's the bank right there. We go. There's supposed to be a restaurant right here, upcoming restaurant. That one there, I'm telling you guys. Full of chat. People are building, man. You can tell. Look.
This is a new one.
New one.
New one. If you want to
I was making payment there every month of cement. Every month, right there. Let's go. Wow. Yeah, go at your own pace. Slow. Shuka. Unyori Zambezi hayomo. Okay. Wanyo Zambezi hasa. Yeah? So
I thought they were trying to do this one is in a bike in a fight back to junction.
Hey.
I don't know what I never support.
Okay, let's go. Guys, I'm holding my sister to see right left center so they can ever cross the road. Hey. Hey. Fresh bro. I'll take you to the restaurant for the first time. Let's go. Yeah, yes guys, actually I'm holding my sister. Now here you can walk. In the tent. Hey! You can walk. Well guys. So I went to buy for her the school bag. Wow. Hey. She was wearing smart guys. Okay. Hi. 20. Ndio ukimuke. Mbona ingilia kazi yangu? Yo tunaongea nao. Let's go. Today is a Sunday. It's a Saturday. Okay, be this side here. Hey. Yes, guys. We're heading this way with my sister. Okay. Let's go. I'm surprising you at this moment. Okay, guys. I'm walking with my sister. So when they see camera, they overcharge me. So I'm supposed to pause my video and then see what's next. Wow. Chagua bags ziko hapa yenye unataka. Unataka hii? Yes. Hii mnauzaje?
Ya kubeba mtoto. 1200. Hii ni ile kubwa. Na unaona kamba zake.
Tunaziona niko nayo nyingine. Okay.
Kuna nyingine inakuanga ya 800.
Gani hii?
Na kamba zake hazikuangi gumu na ikuangi kubwa.
Na ijua. So hii ndio kama kuna zingine ndani bana.
Bag. Maisha hizo ni hizi tu. Hizi ziko mbele.
Yes, you have this one here. Si bei ni moja?
Ni bei ni moja. Na ile iko mwisho na.
Yeah, amechagua hii.
Amechagua hii.
Okay. Because of this toy here, I know my sister. And dada yangu ndio last born kwetu.
Kwa sema nikatoka.
Hiyo ndio umechagua. Haya. Me no idea, guys. Surprise my sister with the bag right here. Sitapigwa uzi.
Hii inakuanga gumu, si kama hizi.
Oh. Hey, back to school. Alright, guys. So let's negotiate. So after this, I'll take you to the restaurant. You want to eat? Weke hoteli nuku. Eh? Okay. Asante. Aya twende. Aya asante. Guys, it's time to take my sister. I want to spoil her at this moment. Nothing to be hide. Kununulia chakula huko. Amu nataka nini? Eh? Chips. Na soda. Hapa chips na juice, si ndio? Aya. She need chips and the juice. So let's go. Warm. Warm. Mimi niko sawa. So I want to spoil you with chips na soda, si ndio? Juice. Yeah, guys, it was my first time to take my sister alone on this restaurant right here. So you can able maybe to enjoy. Na kuacha ukikula pole pole. Sawa. Dan. Poa. Unaogo. Ukikula zikibaki utaweka home. Yeah, guys, I'm telling my sister, if you eat the remaining one, you keep it here as you go home. Guys, me, I'm spoiling my sister here. After from border town, we came on this restaurant here. And I just scared.
Vizuri.
What?
Vizuri.
Vizuri. Yes, guys, I'm asking my sister, how do you feel? She told me good. You feel good? Yes. You know how this restaurant looks like. Super amazing. Wow. I'm telling you. Wow. So that's the food for my sister. It's coming after a few minutes. Mweke. Hakuna ya mangu.
Si ndio hii mangu?
Fanya hivi. Hadi mimi nitapitema, nipe ya baridi.
Jete ya baridi.
Nipe ya baridi. Uko njaa, si ndio? Hai, hii ni glasi yako. Hai. Kunywa sasa ukisubiria. Hii ni yako. Guys, I'm spoiling my sister serious. This is a minute meat right here for the mango juice. Hey. Itamu. Aya. My sister told me the juice tastes so sweet, so nice. Let me taste. Iko sawa. Kunywa. Oi. Aya, tomato. Hey. Hey, cooler. This is a French fry right here. Cooler. Yeah, maybe uje na sahani ugawe. Hizi maana juaga tumbo yake huyu. So that's salt. That's tomato. Tomato sauce. I don't put too many. Sitaki kuwekea nyingi. Yeah. Cool. Let me put the juice here. Keep enjoying. Aye. Legal hizo vitu ni nyingi. Kuna juice. Enjoying. Alright guys, so it's time to leave here. My sister is full, so this is your stock. You keep it here. Mejiba? Hi. Guys, right now we left the restaurant with my sister here. I have the mango here, right here. You know, this mango right here, guys. It's great by itself. So actually, we're heading home right now. So this is how Borehole looks like. So my neighbor take control. We have the tank right there. After spoiling my sister and buying for him a bag, for her bag, it's time to go home. People are coming from church. I'm telling you. I'm sitting like that, guys. Ntana moyo nitabena na mimi mwekara confuse. Mungu moyo. Hey. We have the bank here, Equity and Cooperative. Wow. Look at this. Bra, darete member kaboke. Let's go. Yone mess. Yone mess yi TV ya mbere. Business everywhere, guys. I'm telling you. You see? Screen. Bono Kasongo. And guys, to be honest, right here, you have the police post right here. Left the tarmac. Right now, we use the Murambo, the shortcut going to home. Actually, I want to see my reaction for my sister after buying her school bag, spoil her. You know what I mean? It's okay. Right here we go. Over here we have the dump site, I'm telling you. Wow. We sit like that on the motorbike. Oh. Like that on the motorbike. What? Oh man. Whoa, whoa. I'm killing you guys. Look how the road looks like. Full of stones. Oi. Eh. Wow. Okay. Let's go. There's a church. House of God. Guys, that's how we go home, man. I'm telling you. Wow. I hold my sister on the middle, so no worry, guys. That is me here. That's my sister. Heading home. Wow. Yes, this is banana here for my neighbor. Wow. Guys, I'm sitting at the back like a goat because my bike is not enough. So, but we keep exist to keep going. Yeah, this is a church also. Yeah, SDA. Right. Wow. Hey. Guys, for sure, it's by God's grace, man. It's by God's grace, man. It's happened, it's happened. We have a sharp corner here. So you must hold your bike like pee, you know, to alert somebody who are coming. Yeah, it's from in front. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, because we have a like a junction road right here. We're going straight. That one goes to the other side. Officially, I'm back to my village. Wow. My sister, she doesn't have any clue about on today's vlog. Wow. Let's go, Baros. Let's go, guys. This is the guy who make for me brakes here. Wow. My home is there. Yes. I see my toilet come in good shape. On the other side right there. But my camera can't zoom, guys. What? We're back home. Hey, Justin. Okay. That's my cousin. Long time, man, without meeting my cousin. Guys, we back home. This is my mango right here. That my sister the new bag. Yeah. She was choosing this because of this toy here. Yeah. Okay. Talk I got big.
You know, guys, small kids. Yeah.
Good job. Yes. I put down here. I put mango here.
Remove yours. You give me the keep.
Okay, take yours. Others for my friend. Take yours.
Hey, you don't take mine.
That's yours.
Just imagine, guys. This is mine.
Yes.
That is for the remaining one is for Hello Baby.
Yes.
Hello Baby
Put mine down.
Around $2.
And we take a dish. No, that's for $1. Actually. Yes.
Yeah.
Yours is for 0 point something dollar.
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah. Hello Baby official.
Put mine down, bro. You take your car. Put it, mirror.
Just imagine, guys. I chose it for
Yeah, like
the big one. You add me one.
no, bro. Damn, butch.
Here we go.
Thank I also kill get the Tani helmet. Yeah, it's hot here, guys. And even me, I need to put my jacket down. Oh man, it's so hot here. Let have. Aya, upeleke jacket. Weka hiyo maembe hapa. Mama kwa hapa. Umpe hayo. Kuja uchukue jacket.
Mama.
Enda umpe. Dambu. Wikini wiko ragere. Wow. So guys, I need to give my sister the jacket. Nyaboni. Wow. My sister name is Mata Nyaboni. So I call her Nyaboni in a local way. Pereka yukuja sasa. Wow. Yeah, I want to ask her about the feeling. Kuna ugeni? I see another cousin pull up. What is your name?
Mama mad.
Nkikwani kile?
Aicha nani hii chopa gani hayo?
Oh, ugeni bora.
Bahiro nani hii hayo?
Hey. Guys, that's my cousin. He pull up with table.
Help me.
Oh, I help you to like. Oh man,
to pick that stand.
What is your name? Kuhira bro. Ovageni bana?
Yeah.
Ni kuhira. Hiya.
I want to take here jiko, some jiko.
Okay, bro. Njo. Guys, I feel like I wanna sit here. Oh, that's hen right there. Man, I'm so tired. But it's by God's grace, man. From here up to Border Town, and it's so hot. Okay. That's my sister's bag. And man, I take her to the restaurant. I spoil her. So to show my sister love, to show my sister some love, man. You know. Actually, it's by God's grace. Try to imagine, guys. Back years, we didn't go to the big restaurant or any other restaurant. Maybe, guys, we eat in kibandas. Nowadays, God opened the door. So my cousin, because they take that tables, we have an other side. We have the party, you know. So inside here, I have my sister's juice. Hey. I know ladies love pink color. No pink color meant for ladies. When I took my sister there, I didn't complain anything, guys, because I know ladies choose pink. You know. Wow. That's my sister right there. I have fungua. Hey. Actually, it's a day after tomorrow. tomorrow. So you pull up to school. Hey, this is your juice here. Yeah. And you have a stock here. This is your stock. This is a French fry right here. So he pack or she pack. Hey. Guys, I can't wait to see my sister with a bag on Monday. So it's a day after tomorrow. Are you scared?
Sorry.
Yeah, guys, I'm asking my sister, how do you feel when you have a brand new bag? Actually, actually, guys, so she wants to bring my phone. This is why I'm calling home, man. Like, maybe when I get a new member on my YouTube channel, they will say, oh, hello, baby. Where do you came from, man? This is my home. This is my dad's home. That's my grandma's home. Imagine we stay like 50 meters apart from my grandma to my dad's home. From my dad's home to my great-grandma, it's almost 300 kilometers. No, not kilometers, 300 meters apart. Imagine. Wow. Hey, man. I feel like I'm tired. Oh. It's 2:06 p.m. my local time. So I'm shooting these videos on daytime. Actually, I start in the morning and I'm almost about to finish up. Hey, with the new shoes, guys. Look how you made my sister to wear nice shoes, nice clothes. Wow. Okay. Hey, mama. Hey, right here. Nimenunulia the bag. Martha, let's that bag to see. Let mama see. I want. You have to control. Mama, come you see my sister's bag. Suja tena juice. Hey. That's a brand new bag.
Will you like him, Dolly?
You know,
You know this?
that's the juice for my sister. Nimemspoil hotelini.
$200.
$2.
$2. Huh?
Eh.
You drink? You riskia mdomo.
Kumana chagoe.
Yeah, you put here ka juice, like books, like pen, kipins, unaweka hapa sawa. The small books. Hapa big books. Big books. Hapa zile small books. Zile vitu vidogo. Umesikia?
Ni nzuri ba.
This is a sister kutoka Songo.
Mama, mtu mwenye amefanya vile unasemaje?
Asante.
Asante. Guys, I'm asking my mama for the person who made it possible. How could go maybe to say, my mama say thank you so much. Mom, actually, I was supposed to buy this bag. Let me tell you, last week, but because my sister went to school and I keep it that money up to now, and then I surprised her. And I know maybe for the person who made it possible, they could watch this part and then they will see my sister's bag. Right here, no faking things. We had with my sister in Border Town and all stuff.
You can even feel it.
You know my sister?
This is good.
Yes, I think this toy attracts my sister. When we went to the shop, my sister said, okay, I need this. And I understand my sister is because of the color. Because of the color, man.
The toy.
Because of the color. Paro ni yake?
We control.
Ni kuiga so kitu maikuiga. Eki kuma.
Mimi niende niache nyabu nione pikipiki kama imekuwa.
Ponda etara hapa.
I think ishakwa. Nilimwacha akishikarisha ile injini juu.
Okay, tutayana. Hey mama.
Asante.
Yes, thank you, man. Wow. So guys, I'm taking outside. Wow. This is my Bruno. Say hello. We have the tank right here. Yes. I'm telling you, man. Right now it's so hot here. Like maybe when we have water, like no, not much, that much water. You see, guys, it's coming slowly. But right now we have the borehole. I can't wait to surprise my mama with a clean water right there. Guys, right now I think it's time. It's almost to leave. Time to leave. Kukuhirande. So that's my grandma. That's Rioba_Moshi. This is my home. Soon, I think right now we are in the month of February, almost to start the new month. It's the month of March. So we remain with almost 4 months to go to build my mom's dream house. I'm telling you, we have the baby calf grazing here. All right. Let's go, guys, and see. Well, guys, on today's videos are very special, and at the end of the video, guys, please, I want to introduce one of my fellow YouTuber. Also, guys, go and support her. I really appreciate. And also the guy who driving on the motorbike, please go and subscribe to his channel at it's Rioba_Mosh. And then also I wanna maybe have a sweet talk with my upcoming YouTuber here, so they can introduce and tell you what's going on, how YouTube journey taking her. Guys, are you ready for this? Let me take it to you. Hi. Alright, guys, so let's introduce herself.
Hello guys, welcome back to Hello Vibo official YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, share. My name is Felicitas.
On YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Felicitas. Guys, I'm trying to mentor her step by step. Actually, guys, right now, how many subscribers did you have?
114.
114. Did you make videos every day?
No.
Unafanya video kila siku?
Yes.
Like you do video today, tomorrow you pause, the following day you make it. Yeah. The more, you know the secret about YouTube, the more you make videos, the more you get subscribed. Maybe a videos give you 2 subscribers, 5, 1, you know. One day you'll get a video went viral, it give you 50 subscribers. So right now you are remaining with almost 900 subscribers.
8 something.
8 something to hit 1K subscriber.
Yeah.
Guys, please, if you're watching these videos from my side and you subscribe, in case you're new here, subscribe to Felicitas. Yeah, guys, take her to 1,000 subscribers, and then she wanna struggle making videos like to capture 4,000 watching hour. I know it's hectic, but I keep like telling her, you make videos every one day. You'll find yourself you are around 1,000. Right now you are almost 114 subscribers.
Yeah.
So guys, please, if you're watching this video outside there, try to imagine if shows your daughter or your sister outside there making her videos and she need your help. By helping her is by subscribing, watch the video until the end, and make shorter videos, maybe 10 minutes to 7 there. So as you get audience to stick on your channel, and then you'll be a superstar. So what next could you tell my people?
Yeah, people.
Maybe any other idea that maybe you can tell my fans outside there to check your channel here and there. Watakufanyia nini kwa channel yako?
Subscribe, comment, and watch the video to the end.
Hey, that's my cousin. Crazy. Alright, guys, Felicitas need your help by watching her videos, subscribing, and share the video, guys. When maybe I get 50 people watching my vlog on my premiere again, please, I'm trying to share the link so you can click there and you subscribe to her channel. When maybe one day I found you, you're on a 1,000 subscriber, you're monetizing your channel, and you try to help your parents to your home, I feel so good. You know, even me, my family made who I am today go harder on my dream. No, I try to wiki can't. Go hard on my dream, you know.
Yeah.
So you just make videos. Don't mind on views. Like you get lower views today, tomorrow your video went viral, you get 500. There's a time you get to 1,000 subscriber and you can't imagine by yourself. So the secret is make videos, nice videos. Don't like creating shock titles, shock videos, you know. Yeah, good title, you know. Okay, guys, check her. So at Felicitas, and I met her on this beautiful place. So she want to pay a visitor and shooting the videos. So because I'm rushing to somewhere else, I'm telling her you go and we come maybe later. You know?
Yeah.
So give me like around 30 minutes. I'm rushing with the guy to Nyabohanse.
Yeah.
And then I'll come to make with you videos. Okay guys. Well guys, thank you so much. I want to end my video here guys. Bye.